Spotify has recently rolled out its new Spotify Wrapped feature, and you might be wondering how to access it. Well, there's a straightforward method to do so. According to the instructions provided on their website, the easiest way is to update your Spotify application. Alternatively, you can go directly to your App Store, search for the Spotify application, and update it from there. This should resolve the access issue for a significant number of users. In case updating through the application or App Store doesn't work for you, Spotify now offers an alternative. You can visit the Spotify.com/wrapped website. However, due to high traffic, this site might experience some difficulties. If the website is not cooperating, you have another option. You can go to Spotify.com/wra and explore your Spotify Wrapped content there. Once your application is up to date, you should be able to view your 2023 Wrapped, including the personalized story feature. Feel free to share your Wrapped experience by going through the specific 2023 WRA and, if desired, sharing your highlights. It's a simple and straightforward process. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful, and, more importantly, subscribe for more updates. Thank you for your support, and I look forward to catching you in the next video. Peace.